Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Today, we'll explore how to create easy, small foldable furniture that's perfect for anyone new to woodworking. Foldable furniture is highly practical, space-saving, and ideal for small apartments, camping, or outdoor activities. The best part? You don't need advanced skills or expensive tools to get started. We'll focus on simple designs, basic techniques, and affordable materials, making it accessible for everyone. Whether you want a foldable table, chair, or storage unit, this project will boost your confidence and help you develop essential woodworking skills. Plus, the finished piece is portable, easy to store, and adds a functional touch to your home or outdoor space. So, grab your tools, and let's begin crafting your own small, foldable furniture piece today. Before starting any project, proper planning is essential. Decide what type of furniture you want to build. Perhaps a small foldable stool, table, or wall-mounted foldable desk. Sketch your design on paper, keeping it simple for beginners. Measure the space where you intend to use the furniture, and choose dimensions accordingly. Consider the weight capacity and stability of your design. For beginners, it's best to keep the design minimal with fewer joints and parts. Use lightweight, durable wood like pine or plywood, which is easy to work with. Make sure to include hinges or foldable joints in your design plan. Gathering all materials and tools beforehand will streamline the process. Planning carefully will ensure your project is successful, safe, and functional. For this project, you'll need some basic woodworking tools: a saw, hand saw or power saw, drill, screwdriver, measuring tape, square, and sandpaper. A hinge or foldable joint will be essential for the folding mechanism. As for materials, select lightweight yet sturdy wood like plywood or pine boards. You'll also need screws, hinges, and possibly brackets to secure the joints. For finishing, grab some wood glue, varnish, or paint to protect and beautify your piece. Safety gear is crucial. Wear goggles and a dust mask while cutting and sanding. All these tools and materials are affordable and widely available at hardware stores. Remember, simplicity is key for beginners, so keep your design straightforward to avoid complications and ensure a smooth building process. Once all your tools and materials are ready, start by measuring and marking your wood according to your design. Use a saw to cut the wood into the required pieces: legs, tabletop, supports, and hinges. Always double-check measurements before cutting. Sand the edges smoothly to prevent splinters and ensure a clean finish. For beginners, using pre-cut plywood sheets can save time and effort. Label each piece to avoid confusion during assembly. If you're unfamiliar with certain cuts, watch tutorial videos or ask for guidance at your local hardware store. Precise cuts and smooth surfaces will make assembly easier and improve the overall look of your furniture. Remember, patience and accuracy are important, especially for foldable designs, to ensure proper functioning. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.